Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Strawberries can adapt to a wide variety of containers, from 6 to 8-inch pots for individual plants to larger planters, such as wooden or plastic half-barrels, for multiple plants. They grow in hanging baskets and window boxes too.
Let's help you make your mark.
Plant dormant, bare root strawberry plants 18 to 24 inches apart in 3 to 6 inch high, 3 to 4 foot wide raised beds. Set the plants so that soil covers the roots but the crown remains above the soil. Keep the soil moist but not saturated.
Take our lead.
Strawberries are perennials that need rich soil with lots of organic matter and a slightly acidic pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Work in compost, rotted manure and some peat moss at planting time. Another good addition is granular fertilizer. 0.26 January 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.